Learn English to Gujarati directions, links, right and
સીધું આગળ.
welcome to your tiny direction adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 3 super useful Gujarati words without getting lost, unless the imaginary goat steals the map. Let's make directions and digital vocabulary fun. Today you will learn 3 key ideas, links,
જમણું.
meaning right, and
સીધું આગળ.
meaning straight ahead. First, the digital one.
links.
Conveniently, it sounds almost the same as English. Then the direction word.
જમણું.
And finally, the very useful phrase.
સીધું આગળ.
By the end, you will be able to click, turn, and march forward like a polite multilingual hero. Word spotlight. Let's meet the stars of this chapter one by one. Say them out loud with confidence, even if your houseplant judges your accent. Links in Gujarati is
links.
Example. I clicked the
links.
on the web page. Right in Gujarati is
જમણું.
Example. Turn
જમણું.
at the corner. Straight ahead in Gujarati is
સીધું આગળ.
Example. Go
સીધું આગળ.
at the traffic light. A silly story in a very confusing town. Now imagine you are in a town where every street sign looks confident, but half of them are emotionally confused. Your mission is simple: survive with vocabulary. You open your laptop at a tea stall and find magical
links.
leading to maps, music, and one recipe for suspiciously spicy soup. You click the
links.
but instead of a normal map, a dancing parrot appears and says, to reach the treasure, turn.
જમણું.
Exclamation mark quote. You obey, because arguing with a confident parrot never ends well. At the next crossing, a robot vendor points dramatically and says,
સીધું આગળ.
exclamation mark quote. You walk forward, still holding your chai like a champion. Then your phone buzzes. A friend messages, send me the
links.
exclamation mark quote. You reply like a pro. A cat jumps on the keyboard, clicks random,
links.
and somehow orders fish online. Finally, you see the station. Was it left? No. Was it backwards? Absolutely not. It was
સીધું આગળ.
just past the road on the
જમણું.
side. Useful mini dialogues. Let's make the words talk. You listen, repeat, and enjoy the fact that these dialogues are more organized than most group chats. A. Can you send the links? B. Ha, hum.
links.
Have mokalam chum. A. Which way should I go? B. Go.
જમણું.
A. Where is the bank? B.
સીધું આગળ.
A. Are these links useful? B. Yes, these
links.
open new pages. A. Is the shop on the right side? B. Yes, the shop is on the
જમણું.
side. A. Do I turn now? B. No, go.
સીધું આગળ.
Memory tricks that actually behave. Here come the memory tricks. These are easier to keep than gym promises made on a Monday. 4.
links.
The trick is simple. It sounds like English links. Think of glowing web bridges between pages. 4.
જમણું.
Imagine a giant arrow on your right side and touch your right shoulder when you say it. 4.
સીધું આગળ.
Point straight in front of you and take 3 steps forward like you are entering a dramatic movie scene. Quick drill time. Now it's your turn. Answer fast, but not so fast that you accidentally invent a new language. What is the Gujarati word for links?
links.
How do you say right in Gujarati?
જમણું.
How do you say straight ahead in Gujarati?
સીધું આગળ.
Complete the sentence. Turn underscore 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 at the corner.
જમણું.
Complete the sentence. Send me the underscore 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 by email.
links.
Complete the sentence. The station is underscore underscore underscore.
સીધું આગળ.
Your final challenge. Let's mix everything together. If you can follow this, you are officially smarter than the confused GPS from our story. Imagine this. You receive
links.
to a cafe. You open the map. At the first corner, turn.
જમણું.
Then walk.
સીધું આગળ.
If you see a cat using a laptop, do not panic. It is probably checking more.
links.
Say the 3 words with me now.
links. જમણું. સીધું આગળ.
Nice work. You did it. You clicked, turned, and marched straight ahead without falling into a linguistic pothole. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
links. જમણું.
And
સીધું આગળ.
out loud. Repeat them during your day, use them in tiny sentences, and come back for another round whenever you want. You are doing great, so keep going and keep practicing.